Julia, so today I'm in the lobby. Sorry, it's really quiet. Here's the elevator. Please don't be on it. Oh my god. Okay, so today I am going on a tour. All the things we can't buy. What are we doing?
We're getting candy.
At Haley's with us. There's candy upon candy and it's everywhere, and we just got some and we're so excited.
Hey Julia, so today Emily is on a field trip. So we are at the Darwin House down in Down. And so we're not allowed to take any pictures or videos inside the house, but we're walking around the gardens right now. So if you want to see, here it is.
Hey Julia, so right now we are in a forest, sort of. We are walking the path that Darwin walked every day, twice a day I think. So
It's called the Sand
let's
Trail.
go!
It's not very sandy.
Let's go!
So you got a future in vlogging.
Hey Julia, we're on the London Eye right now. JK, we're in the queue for the London Eye. And I guess you could say, I've got my London Eye on you.
It's going slow, but it doesn't really, I don't, it isn't, that's what you said. I know, it's going really slow, but I mean, it's not that big of a, I don't know. What? I wish I had Wi-Fi. No. Wait, is this on video? Where are we? McDonald's. You know you're American when. Hey Elizabeth, do you want to swim in that? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Rome called.
That's impossible. They have telephones.
30's in! How exciting! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! I forgot to make a wish! So today I am in Oxford with this lovely lady.
Hey Jules!
We had dinner tonight and we went to
Jamie
Oliver's, which was really fun. We had pasta and we ate sweets and it was so much fun. So sorry I didn't get to vlog much today, but we are just hanging out and having a good time.
Miss you so much.
Miss you loads! We love you.
Bye Jules!
Hey Julia, so Emily's getting ready to go to Oxford, but we're at the Imperial War Museum right now. And
We're in the British Army.
They have these coats and hats that you can try on to look like a soldier. Yeah. They're really itchy and the hats are really heavy.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
Hey Julia, if you couldn't tell by my montage of the Eiffel Tower and other French things, I am in Paris today. It was a long train ride and it was a long journey, but we are here. If you don't believe me, here's my view. I mean, this doesn't necessarily prove I'm in Paris, but it's a nice view. Hey Julia, so today we are in the Louvre and we're in front of the Mona Lisa, so I just wanted to show you that.
today, and we're on the beach, and there's lots of rocks, and we're having a jolly good time. It's beautiful.
Check it out.
Hey Julia, so today we are in Versailles and we're just making a little self-tour thing. I just wanted to show you a little montage of that. Ready? Go! We moved to the gardens and it's so pretty. Hey Julia, so we made it to the top of the Arc de Triomphe. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, all you French people, if there are any French people watching this. We made it to the top and it's really, really pretty, so take a look. Hey, so I'm going to eat some escargot for the first time and I'm really nervous about it, so here we go. It's really good. We're in front of the Louis Vuitton store. This is Stephanie, and we're hanging out here. I think this is the flagship store, so it's really exciting.
Hey friends, so today we are at the top of St. Paul's Cathedral in London.
I think it's like 500 and something steps.
Yeah, it's really high up, 365 feet to the top, and I think we're 255 feet up. So here's the view. It's really pretty.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Hey Julia, so I'm back in London. I'm working on some homework right now. Paris was super fun, and I'm so glad I got to go. Thanks for following me this week. I will see y'all next week. Bye!